Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different wireless carrier or network than the one that originally sold it. Here today with us, we happen to have a Motorola Moto G Pure that is originally from T-Mobile here in the US, and this is a device that does indeed still have T-Mobile SIM lock enabled, because with a different carrier SIM card inserted here, we get this message popping up on the screen that tells us that the device is locked, and to be unlocked, we have to go through T-Mobile's preloaded device unlock app to do so. So T-Mobile, like pretty much all of the other wireless carriers, will do the SIM unlock for you if you meet all of the requirements, and therein lies the catch. So pretty much all of the wireless carriers have this huge list of requirements that have to be met in order for them to be able to do the SIM unlock for you. So they generally require that you be the original owner and purchaser of the device, the person making the request. The device has to be fully out of contract and paid off. You have to have used it with them for a certain number of days or weeks or months. You have to be current and up to date on your bill and not have any past due balances, etc., etc. So there's all these different conditions that have to be met in order for the carrier to do the SIM unlock for you. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us to assist them with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change carriers away from T-Mobile before quite satisfying all of T-Mobile's requirements to do the SIM unlock for them, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. And in those cases, the seller usually either claims that it's already unlocked or that it's already eligible to be unlocked through T-Mobile, and all they have to do is contact them, or whatever the case may be. And then after the buyer purchases it, they discover that's not actually true. The seller was lying. The device is still locked and it's not eligible to be unlocked through the carrier, and they're stuck with an unusable device. So we're now making this video to show any interested customers that we do offer a service to be able to get this device SIM unlocked without having to go directly through the carrier and meet all of their requirements. Our unlock procedure is something that we do directly to the phone while it's plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows PC along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here now with this one. So actually, as I've been speaking, we've been running our unlock program here on the device that goes ahead and takes care of that for us. It needs just another minute or two to finish up running here, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video to the end just so we can keep this as short as possible. So just hold on while this finishes up. Okay, there we go. We should be all set here. The device is now rebooted, and once we go ahead and pop in our lock pin there, we will notice that right away here we don't get that full screen pop-up message anymore saying that the device is network locked. So that is a great indication that the unlock was successful. And then just to verify that, we're going to go ahead and pop into the settings. And when we go under, let's see, network and internet, right there under mobile network, we can immediately see that it does say Verizon, and that is the company of the SIM card that we have inserted here. So that is our other indication that the unlock was successful. So the device is now totally network unlocked and can be used with any other compatible wireless carriers. Just to verify exactly what we're working with here, when we pop in the settings, we're going to go ahead and see here under About Phone that we do indeed have a Moto G Pure. It's originally from T-Mobile. And then another indication there, the device unlock, that does say unlock, so that's our third confirmation there. And then if we tap on model, it should, yep, pull up the exact model number, the XT, if my focus would cooperate, XT2163-4 is the specific T-Mobile version of the Moto G Pure. And I should also mention that this can be done for the Metro version of the same phone as well, Metro by T-Mobile. Since T-Mobile owns Metro and Metro runs on their network, their devices are very similar in most cases. So Metro's model actually has the exact same model number also, so that applies to that one too. So if you have a Moto G Pure from T-Mobile or Metro and would like help getting its SIM unlocked, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for tons of different models of devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.